Hey everyone, welcome to Fix It Friday with Mr. Wigand. Now, yesterday I come out here to the farm to get this lawnmower running, put in a new battery, some fresh gasoline, and woo doggy, it was purring like a kitten. Well, I started mowing the lawn out here a little bit, and what do you know, I ran over a horseshoe. Dang old horseshoe in the lawn. Well, that got the mower stopped immediately, and the blades would not engage. Now, I don't know what the heck is going on, but I think it chewed up that horseshoe and got messed up under there something real bad. So, today, I'm going to get under there and see if I can't figure out what's going on. It was smoking yesterday. Now, I don't know a lot about lawnmowers, but I know if your lawnmower's smoking, that's a problem. So I immediately shut that thing down and said, well, I'm coming back tomorrow. I got to give this a good think. I got to YouTube this and see what I can't figure out. Now, like I said, I don't know a lot about lawnmowers, but I can turn a wrench. So I'm just going to start taking stuff apart, seeing what happens. Now here's that dang horseshoe I ran over. Now you can see right there, it's got a fresh chip out of there. It's got some chips there and there. Man, that lawnmower had its way with this, but that horseshoe, well, it got it back. Now one of the main things holding the blades on there, or the PTO as they call it, are these pins right there, and I got to pull these out. As you can see, they're attached right there. I just pulled that one out. That was easy. Well, I got all the pins out, and I got the brackets off the bolts there, so let's see if this thing will just slide right out. Woo-wee! Now that came out real easy. Now, don't forget to unhook this belt right here. And I learned from a man on YouTube, hey, you should draw a diagram of how this belt goes around all those little pulleys there. There we go, got my diagram. Look good, don't it? Now we got her flipped over and you can see the blades right there. Now, woo Nelly, take a look at that. That got chewed up something real bad. Not only on that side, but on that side too. Now here's another thing to notice. Boy, that spins all right. That spins even better. What the? Well, that don't spin at all. Now looking up here, I can tell something got in there and it didn't like it. Well, I'm trying to solve the mystery of this mower and why they ain't spinning, and I flipped it back over and holy Toledo, you gotta see this. Woo-wee, that got cracked, sheared right off. Can you believe it? No wonder that baby ain't spinning down there. There is a whole mess of trouble going on here. I'm gonna have to take out this whole entire piece and replace it. Amazon, here I come. Now this nut right here, well, it just don't want to budge. So I hit it with some liquid wrench. We're gonna let that soak in, see if it does anything. Ooh, it's amazing what a little liquid wrench will do. Look at that baby turn. Now I needed to get that off in order to get this off. Uh-oh. Look at that. The edges of the bolts don't even line up with the corners anymore. Now that must have been a lot of torque on there. Now I was able to pry it off with a hammer, and one of the reasons why I wanted to get that off was because I needed to get to these little guys so I can get this whole assembly out of there. Woo-wee, look at that. Head sheared right off of that bolt. Well, I imagine all the rest are probably going to do the same thing, so let's get her done. Well, I got that last bolt off, and look at that. She just dropped on down. Woo doggy, that is all she wrote. Look at that. Sheared right off. Yeah, I think I'm going to need a new blade here and a whole new spindle assembly. Amazon, here we come. While I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and take off those other blades because I'm going to want to replace those anyway. Now I also hooked up the pressure washer here so I can clean off that dang thing before I put brand new fresh blades on it. Woo-wee! Howdy! Well, hey, all right, kids, that was fun. Now make sure you tune in next week to see if we actually fix the dang thing. Adios.